Okay. And we will check here if current machine. Okay, if this one current object dot is machine. We need machine input data and output data. So we have to say this. Output data. And the third one is null. For machines at least. So then we need storage. This one. Here we just need inventory data. And here we have to say class name storage. Save. And here we go to farmhouse. Class name equals storage. No, not storage. Farmhouse. Save. Okay, so we have this one. Now we are going to extend this code. If current object is machine, if current object is farmhouse, as if current object is storage. Going to copy this 2 lines here and also here, but here we have to give order. Farmhouse will have 3 inventories we have to check. Input, food input, output. So copy this one. Wait, could not find type farmhouse. For the global class name after class name. Oops. Let's out this one. Okay, save. And here we go. Input. It's not machine output, it's farmhouse input. Then it's a farmhouse output. Input. And also farmhouse output. And for storage, this one is just, I think it was inventory data. Yes. Inventory data, and here we have to say null. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think this should work now. And we have to testing this one. Okay, is farmhouse a storage? Okay, let's check. We will buy a farmhouse, we will buy a machine, but we cannot buy a storage. But I think when it's working for farmhouses and for machines, it should work for houses also. Oh, and I forgot something. New game. Start. There's something wrong. Why I do not know why the NPCs are not walking. Also have to check this. Shop. Place a machine. Wait. Oh. I actually wrote it wrong. If it's empty, it should return true. So it's right. Inventory 1.sloteders is empty. Else return true. They have to say equals true. And here, let's check it again. Do you make the game completely alone? Yes, actually at the moment I do this game actually completely alone. Hello Ryuxu. Ryuxi, sorry. Okay, new game. Let's buy another machine and check it again. Shop, this one, shop. Read the print. And well, why there's no building menu now? Save. Back to menu. Load. Oh, what was this name? I think this one. Okay, well, let's buy again. Buy. I do not know why the building menu disappeared before. Maybe because I ran away from the shop here. And I think I still have the function. Shop. Oh, I cannot buy this anymore. So we'll go for cidery. Actually, I should have saved this machines here. But there was a bug that this one was missing. I have to find out why this is the case. because I don't want that the player will facing this bug. Okay, place the machine. I cannot take it. I can add some items, and now I still cannot take it. I mean, yes, that should be true, that I cannot take it, but use it. That is fine. But why I can't take it when it's empty? If is empty, return false. If inventory, return true. If it does not have, it has two inventories, so we have to check until here. If this is empty, then it will return true. And if it's not has inventory 3. Okay, debugging print. This machine first inventory is empty. Copy. This machine has a second inventory. This machine's second inventory is empty. This machine's has a third inventory. Third inventory. And else this machine's third inventory is empty. It's empty. This machine's first inventory is not empty. This machine's second inventory is not empty. And the third inventory, this machine's third inventory is not empty. Okay, this is the wrong spot. It should be here. What is here? Print. There is no third inventory. And here print. There is no second inventory. And to check this one now, we will go to project settings, window. We'll call window, close, and start the game in windowed mode, as it's easier to debug in this mode. Let's see. New game, start. we need another machine. But here you could actually see what I mean. This one is either 1 pixel too large in the width or 1 pixel too large in the height. So it's not, I cannot divide the number of the pixels of this one by 2. That's why sometimes it's shaking when I running. So when you do pixel art games, you should always do graphics which pixels in the width and height are possibly to divide by 2. Should always be possible to divide this number by 2. This machine first inventory is not empty. Oh. But it is empty. So null actually does count as something. So I can't call is empty. I have to call like 0 is not null. Let's try it again. So now it should work. So null in an array is something. So this is very interesting, but a bit annoying also. So it's for larger storage it will not be possible to call just this one. Slot data is null. We have to do it in a bit different way. I have to check arrays, how I can check for everything in an array. Here. How I can, just with a for loop. I think I can do it just with a for loop. Or is there a way to say find not null? Searches the array for a value and returns its index not found. Optionally, the initial search index can be passed. What variant? What the best way? Have Steam page for this game? Actually, not yet. But as soon as I would have a playable version of this game, I will have a Steam page also. And also itch.io. Steam and itch.io. But I didn't have yet. Is there a way to as not null? It's not. So yeah. Okay, so another way would be I will create a large array from this tree. So I will create variable machine slot datas equals Now I can add arrays to arrays just with append, right? Oops, I'll be right back. Append array. Okay, append another array at the end of this array. Okay, right back. Here I will do an inventory slot datas, and if inventory 3 machine slot datas dot append array inventory 3 dot slot datas. This one will create an array of all slot datas, which this. Thanks for following in YouTube. Thank you very much. So here I create the array with all slots, and after this one we will run a for loop for slot data in machine slot datas. Actually, I shouldn't call this machine slot datas. You will call it object. Your worst nightmare. Stani, or more known as your worst nightmare. Oh, hello, my worst nightmare. How are you doing? Pin me. Dani, your message has a very bad misspelling. Sure, I should pin that. Hi, hello, hier ist Dani. I'll delete it. Keep the work, man. I want to sleep. It's midnight in my time. Here also. I will keep it working. See you again, Ryuxi. See you. Thanks for joining. Actually, oh yeah, I can. Your worst nightmare. Bye, Gross. No, Dani, I already deleted. Chill. Dani, there's again a misspelling. You are? You mean you are? Should I write it for you? Just kidding. No. I know. I can pin it with this Vostre too. It's fine. Yeah, pin that. Okay, Dani. For 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes will cost you 10 euros, okay? Okay. Oh. So let's see. Slot data and machine slot data. If slot data, I will do a perma leader scam. I'll be back with the money. Dani, I really do not care how you do your money. At least I will got your 10 euro. The rest is, you know. It's like pyramidal. Ah, you need like the pyramid structured companies, which scams everyone except the owner. That sounds like a very great idea. I think you should start with very shady YouTube advertisement where you're standing in front of a Lamborghini which you just rent from a company and posing there with fake money, a fake Rolex, and tell everyone how they can get rich just like in 10 minutes. Dani, I think there's no one ever thought about this idea before. You should keep it in secret. Or just create another cryptocurrency on some random blockchain and make it popular on Twitter, but you have to make it popular on Twitter. You are Shark Tank, mate. just a joke, If slot data is not null, return true. No, false. Else, wait. Yeah, machine slot data is not there. Object slot data. Okay, this way. But how I could return true just behind this one, right? So after the for loop. If the for loop find one item, it can't get to return true because it returns already here. But if everything is null, it will return true. I think this should work, so we don't need this complicated pyramid of code. We just shorten it and hopefully make it work. Let's check. Start. Understand clip. What's the name of the clip? How to get rich fast? Or financial tips? Secret or clip? I understand clip. Dani. New game. Start. Here we go. Let's buy another machine. Shop. This one to let's check. Secret strategy. Paramedical skill. So why this building menu is always... I don't get it. It happened just already 2 times now. Why it just disappear? I have to check the NPC area. I think I still at the code that this should move backwards when I leave Cidery. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's still there. See, secret. I'll change the name to Dani's Brilliant Ideas. Is Dani the next? No, no. Dani, the next financial influencer. You will get your money back if Dani can't double your money within 1 week. With this brilliant financial strategy. Wait. Why it has 2 inputs? Why Cideries has 2 inputs? Okay, I need to work a bit this. Okay, Dani. Work. Get your work done. Back to menu. New game. Start. I just wonder why this one had 2 inventories before. That's a bit weird. This shouldn't be the case. But we can fix it. I just created a new game. Why I can't buy this one? Composter. I think I'll do it in another way. That the player can buy as much as they want, I mean. Or they will just... use it. It also has 2. I know why. Okay, I know why this happened. Because I say append. So it append every time I pick it up. It will append the machine's slot. Okay, so luckily this is just because of the code I was writing before. Here, what's the best way? I think I'll just send a copy of this inventory data. So here I have to say only dot duplicate, as these data are just resources. So I can just duplicate them. And we will actually not destroy the structure of the original one. Just take a copy of this one to check. So save. Now it should work. Let's see what will happen. New game 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with the blueprints, I mean, I'm not sure the way is correct with checkmark the items in the shop. Is it not just checkmark it for one save? Checkmark I make a playlist free of copy on Spotify. Copyright free playlist. I'll propose you a deal. What's the deal? Actually, I do not even have Spotify. It's up to what's the deal, you know, when you do a deal with the devil, you have to be careful. Because I know the dev in your name is not for developer, it's for devil. But I'll pass you the name of the songs. What? What is the deal? Tell me this first. And if I put apples now, wait. Add them here. Now I shouldn't be able to pick it up. Yes, it's not possible as there are items inside. To quit the slapping mode. First, no Dani, this is a one thing trade to another thing of it. Why have to, what happened? Does your neighbor slap you with a hammer? So I have to world machine interface. I still have to change the 9 patch rect here to patch margin 4, 4, 4, 4. So it looks much better. Save. Okay, Dani. Go slap your neighbor with the hammer. It's okay. No, you shouldn't do that. I will not make you do illegal things. You should go drink a beer with your neighbor. So this is working now. We have to there's just a for the farmhouses it should work now, and also for the inventories, the storages. But farmhouse, we have to go to the farmhouse script here. When we left click it, it should actually do the same like here. left click here, this one, and farmhouse, left click. Okay, here. And we have to write an own function here. We call it use object. That's actually it. So it work. What was that? Okay, I really do not know what this sound was before. It was somewhere in the browser. Okay, here we go. I just said something in my browser. There will be no scary sounds in the background. I mean, not scary, but I was scared of the sound. And also we need to copy this one for, not this one, only these 2 lines for storage. Storage space. And we will if event is mouse button left, actually I don't need this one. I think I'll get rid of the demolish tool at the moment. Yeah, and use object, interact with chests. This is fine, save. So this should work now. So we add this to storage, farmhouses, machines. But there's still one bug which I also want to repair, get rid of. It's farmhouse, player shop menu. No, object mouse menu. Actually creates one even there's actually already one in the scene. And this shouldn't be the case. We have to pair this function right at the end here, create object menu. Here we actually queue free the old one, but it's not working properly. What if we say redirectly? We'll try this one. Start. Here it will be enough when we just click on the bed, so we don't need to run to the city and buy an object, buy a machine. So let's see. Okay, new game. Start. Yes, we just have to run inside to the bed. Click it. Now click it. It's working. It's just this. And I want how I could make it close myself, because if I just run away, you see, player would be able to go sleep from here and will be back here. So this doesn't make sense. How I can make this menu close? I could spawn this menu with an area which checks if the player is near. When the player is leaving this area, it will close. This should also not happen, that this directly open. Is it only with machines, or is it all for every? My condition for a playlist of 2 hours are that you just pause away to make a condition. Wait, playlist of 2 hours? Right now I have a playlist of 12. I mean, it's just chilling, lo-fi background elevator music. But it's 12 hours. Even think that it's just actually 6 hours or 3 hours and they play it in a loop. So let's check this one. Click, click, click. Move it here and it directly open this one. This shouldn't happen. I mean, Dani, also a problem is I do not have Spotify. That means after 2 hours of listening to Spotify, I think I will get advertisement anyway. Or actually after every song or every second song. I mean, you got very often advertisement on Spotify when just have to restart the game. First, quit this level mode, and second, play 2 games of chess. The second we already did. And Dani, the third round has to be a special, because it will, you know, it's like a final match between you and me. Lab emote I will exchange to something else. But I need to know what is better. BRB, be right back emote, serious face, shocked face, smug face, sus face, ban emote, or derby. Three players and 1 playlist of electronic and the other of rock. Is it really copyright free? Are you sure? 100%? What other deal? Actually, Dani, I would prefer somehow a YouTube playlist, because I really do not have Spotify. here it does not directly make this one clickable. So let's see what's the difference. So in machine, we await get 3 process frame. Okay. If it's not this one, then machine process. Okay, that's very fine. And set machine data. I will learn you to learn Spanish and you will help me to learn English something faster. Plus Spotify playlist means I will pass you the playlist and you copy the name on YouTube. That is all. Does this work? Spotify playlists are the same of the songs. But then I have to still create a playlist on YouTube. The thing is, whenever I tried other music, I got strikes on YouTube. I mean, this is very fine as they just take down the video. They strike the whole video. Even there's just 10 seconds of some random song. But on Twitch, I'm always careful now. But I do the hard work to find the songs. Yeah, this is actually hard work to find songs. The problem is sometimes that music claims to be copyright free, but at the end they'll claim your video or you will got a strike for copyright. I'm not sure if that is also up to the What do you mean with learn English something faster? I mean, I could sometimes just tell you when I'm streaming to help you a bit with English, but I think even my English is not the best. Like some exercises for both. I mean, even thought it's almost impossible to teach me a language, as English was already very hard for me, is that you don't need to teach me Spanish. I'll try to teach you English. I'm very, very bad in learning language. Oh. Okay. I mean, sometimes you can tell me some random words, which I can say, but I'm very bad in remembering languages. So type what you propose. I only need a approval. A 100% approval that the music is copyright license free. I really do not know how to check this. Maybe it has some tools online. If there's a website, it's called eProofs. example, this one. Type what you propose. The accuracy of finding a license of a song is 95. Average time to search for that. Full length of the video cannot exceed 14 minutes. Okay, and actually there are tools where I can check this one. Okay, wait for, I need to ask you, waifu, how he does stream with copyright songs. That sounds nice. How? Hello Azalo, sorry I see you. How did you teach yourself Pixelart? Do you have any guidelines for someone to start getting into it? Actually I just start with that game. So this is my first project, and I'm also just a beginner with 4 months of almost 5 months experience in pixel art. But I have a background in graphic design, so I have a bit of understanding of shadows, light, colors. Okay then. At Asalo from YouTube. They are actually a really good pixel artist in YouTube. Just a second, maybe I could find you the name. He do very good tutorials about color, proportions and everything. Shapes is very important for pixel art. Just a second. This one. I can post it. Wait, just a second. I can post it in my own chat. Here. If you are still there. This is the link to this channel. Okay. I hope you still can see my reply, Azalo. There I learned a bit of coloring, shaping, pixel art. Thank you, we'll check it out. You're welcome. Okay, save. Placing mouse menu. Where did I stop before? Machine. Where did I stop before? Gross, can you send me a PNG or a JPEG of your avatar? It depends. For what do you need it? I actually do not know how I can send you something, as you don't have wait, you want to learn pixel art? You should draw it by yourself. Outfits. If you want to learn pixel art, you have to draw it. It's not that hard, you can see in the stream. What? Like a cowboy or cop? Wait, let me think. Not cowboy or cop. Something cooler. I don't want to be a cop. I don't want to be a cowboy. Something... I want to be a dinosaur. Dani, we live in 2023. You can be everything what you want. Just a second. 12 seconds. Hello, Sage. Oh, I need this one too. Hey guys. I need the hello one. Hello emote. How you doing? Right back. How are you doing, Sergey? I forgot where I was checking why here this await process frame is working and for the bed not. Physics frame, but it should be a process frame. I think now it's working. Gross. I'm okay, a little bit sad, thanks for asking. Oh, what happened? I'm very well, thanks for asking that. Sergey. Yes, Donnie? I want to be a dinosaur, I like things like that. JPEG. I don't have a JPEG, I actually have just PNGs, but how I could send you? Or PNG. Where could I send you? Let's check this one. Move. Yes, it's perfect. Now we can place it and it's not directly open in another menu. You always have a transfer back layer. Correct. PNGs better than JPEGs. Search an internet submitter of files. And what is another difference between PNGs and JPEGs? JPEG is for background. You also can use PNGs as background. Maybe size. The color range. The color range is different. PNG stores more data. Dani, what? Search an internet submitter of files. JPEGs has less colors, I think. I mean, I've learned that like 10 years ago, but I'm not sure. I think JPEGs has less colors, yeah. And yes, JPEGs tends to be blurry and they always have this. Sometimes when you have JPEGs and they got compressed a lot of times, then you always see like very straight lines over it when there's an like this one. I do not know how to say this. When it's when a color fade out, like from black to white, or when it have this, it looks very weird. Dani, internet submitter of files. Gradient, yes, gradient was the word. Submitter of, I could send with WeTransfer, but therefore I need an email. This one. Twitch. Wait. Yeah. Just a second, I'll be right back. Like this, what? Wait. Wait. I cannot speak Spanish. Can it please change to English? I'll not accept your cookies. I don't want cookies. Share me screen. I don't want to pay money. I just want English. And I want to create a link. I think this means create a link. But here it needs my email address. Create link. But I still need to add an email address. Ingrese su dirección de correo electrónica para. Do you not have I would prefer Discord, Dani. Wait, I'll do it in a different way. Just a second. Wait, you will get the link soon. There's nothing to translate. Translate if you want to do it. Just a second. I have a link now where you can download. Where's the link? Link copy. I sent to you, Danny. So here we go. So I fixed that bug also. Quit. Which objects are also placeable? Fences. Fence. Okay, I will delete all of this code here. Area check input. Okay. Thanks, now let's work. Let's work what? Yes. Keep working. For fence checker and fence checker array. Okay, I should call it somewhere. The character. Set fence checker. Here, set fence shape. Where's the signal? Fence checker. Hello, the line. Welcome. Inventory interface. Okay. Fence checker is actually here. What are you working on? My game could just walk with you through the map. Right now I debug it a bit as there are some bugs. Especially for fences, when I place fences to the world. Every fences will connect to each other, just the last one will not connect to the other fences. New game 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, start. So this is the map. The player will start in this house, which has nothing and has to be repaired. So the outside view will look like this, and this one. The player also can sleep between 8 PM and 6 AM. And this he can do by just clicking on the bed, and this will actually skip the night. This is the function which I worked on the last days. Here the player is able to have like a shop where every day on 6 AM will NPCs spawning. I could show you this also. Back to menu, new game, start. This was the thing what I've done before. Firstly, we have to repair it. I mean, I can just buy everything because I'm cheating a bit of money for debugging. So when the player actually has access to this market, he can go to sleep And every morning he wakes up, you will see 1 until 6 customers waiting here. And when you click on the market, you have these deals. They want to buy something from you. And if you have something like grass, I could just get a bit of grass here, for example, and I can click on this deal, I will sell it, and this NPC will walk away now and the deal is out of the list. You earn experience from that, and you will earn actually also money from this one. Just ignore the collision bug before. This was the function which I was working on the last week. Here is a village with several NPCs. This is Neo's shop. Here you can buy machine blueprints from, actually I can't buy one, this for example, and you can read them, and afterwards you have a building menu, and in this building menu there will be several items. Right now there's nothing except this machine we just bought before, but when you have decorations in the you can buy it just here rather than just always buy it by NPCs in the village, so you don't have to run back and forth. Here's Archie's office. He also sells blueprints, but for animal houses. So you will have this one here, and you are able to breed animals. Then you have, I'll show you this one first, a seed shop. Wait. Okay, here's still a collision bug. I have to fix that. Here's Serafina's seed shop. You can buy several seeds for different plants. Actually, they are level bounded. That means I still have to lock this one, which you are not able to buy with your level. So I have to write a function that this array of a shop will just expand by the level of the player. So with level 1 you should be able just to have apple seeds. And as you can see, here are also randomly walking NPCs in the streets to fill it up a bit. And here's Elara's restaurant. Here you can buy food. Right now I do not create food to the game, but you actually can sell items to her. For some reason the sell item button is not there at the moment, but you could sell. The next NPC, fixed NPC, is Paco. Here you can sell, mostly you can sell scraps to him, but you can buy, you are able to buy decorations from him over time. That's how you can decorate your garden, and it's also up to what type of scraps you sell to him. I have to eat some apples for energy. Here's a fun fact. Yes, Dani, what ideas? Here I've integrated some mini games. This, for example, is shooting range. You can play it in 3 different modes. And then you get into this game here where you can shoot the stalls. And if the time is over and you reach the score goal, you will be able to bring the stalls to your home or exchange them here. The exchange function I did not implement yet, just the game. And at the moment, even you just leave the scene, you will have this items in your inventory. The dolls. Or no, just when you finished. Here you can buy lottery tickets. So here we go, we have lottery tickets. Wait, they're not added to the scene. Okay, there's a bug. You should get lottery tickets here. Here you also should get these ducks if you win them. Okay, I actually already lose. I buy just one round and I lose it. Here's a claw machine where you can, if you are lucky, you can win the stalls. And I'm very lucky with the first try. I got a teddy bear. Do not wonder why there are always apples spawning. That's because I was cheating apples at the start of the game. And here you can play can throwing. And I need 4 throws. And for normal, for usual, just should end the round when there's no can. But sometimes it's... Okay, I'm stuck now. Okay, sometimes it's buggy. But that's almost it. Up here, I mean that's it for the village. You can expand your garden by a lot. You will have a really big garden at the end of the game. And up here is a cave. Where you can where you can farming for stones, and if you right click the stones you are able to collect gems. I added 33 different type of gems to the game, so the goal is to get every item, every fruit. I got 77 apples for example, every gem, every scraps, flowers, animals, fishes and clams. So with the dog you can clean the garden. It also has this energy bar, which the dogs lose every time he is in the process to collect things from the garden. And from this one you will always got loot. When he gets grass, you will got grass. When he got dirt hills, you will getting loot boxes. This one until 2. If you are lucky you will get 2. And you can also open them by just clicking on them in the toolbar with the number 5 for example. And I got apple seeds as right now I'm on level 1, so I'm able to just get seeds which are matched up with the level I am right now. And here we got trash bags. This we got from the scraps here, the garden, and also when you go to the village and looting the trash cans there you are able to find these trash bags, and from these trash bags you are able to get iron stick for example, and this is scrap which you can find here. This scrap iron stick, they are like another type of scraps. You also need the scraps to upgrade machines. I could show you how it works. For upgrading you have to go to... I'll just sleep very quickly. For machines, for upgrading the machines, you'll go to Neo, who's actually sell the machines also. He actually just sells the blueprints. Have to read it. Buy one, and if you open up your inventory, put it on the NPC, you see you can got a level 2 composter, and why you should do it, you got a very much decreased processing time, and this is for every machine. So this one I can upgrading by just pay. This also, and the chance of this one is 100% until level 3. It's 100%, but then it starts to be 90%, 80%, up to the level, and with level 10 is the highest level. So here back we have a composer with level 4 now, and the processing time is just 219 and not 300 anymore. So that's actually it. There's one more NPC, her name is Dura, and there you can buy animals from here. She's in the stable. Here, you can talk with her and you can buy animals, and you can also buy the food. Yes, and you can put them in your garden. You can actually grow them up. Yeah, that's the core functions of this game at the moment. Did I miss something? Oh, and you actually can fishing also. Can also fishing. Maybe I will also add a forest where you can collect items like mushrooms, berries, or some stuff like that. But I'm not 100% sure about that. So I think right now it has a lot of functions already. I have to work, but maybe later or tomorrow. Passive outfits. Okay, Danny. No stress. It's okay. So that's actually what I'm working on right now. So now I have to, I think, thanks for passing me the file. You're welcome, Dani. As long as you don't do bad stuff with that, what you will never do, I'm sure, it's okay. Thanks for the opportunity. You're welcome. Opportunity. Opportunity with an Y at the end. I think the rest is right. And you should... I actually cannot tell you how this word is written right. I just can say it. Opportunity. Opportunity. You almost did it. Just an R and a Y at the end. Opportunity this way. Almost. I hope I write it true now, but I think yes. No. With double P. There should be a double P. Double P. And then it's right. What if I... 12 seconds commercial cut. Okay. What I will do now is to just delay the checking of the fences by 1 frame, so it will be placed and then it will connect all fences and not just this what's already placed. Be right back. Just a second. Hello, he. Hello, hello. Just came directly into the commercial cut. I'll be right back. Daddy. Thank you, he. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How are you doing today? I should add sounds to this. It would be much more fun. Dani, you are not strange today, you are always strange. When I played Kingdom 2 Crowns for 3 hours. Kingdom 2 Crowns for 3 hours. Ah, Kingdom 2 Crowns, you told me it's a nice looking pixel art game, right? The side scroller. What is actually the core of the game? What you have to do? What's the task in this game? Is it like build up a village? And you have to fighting over the time? Yup, and it's hard. Okay, so it's nothing for me. Like tower defense and build your kingdom. Tower defense? Like balloons? Tower defense. And build your king. So it's like a mixed version of an Anno, and the only tower defense I know is balloons. Just play and you will know. A good game. Okay. I'll put it to my list. Thank you very much, yes. Dani, I think you can call him he. Your name is he, right? I remember right. Kingdom 2 Crowns. Kingdom 2 Crowns. Easier to play with one friend. Need more what I didn't say anything. Dani, Kingdom 2 Crowns and the Manor Lords. What a game what I would like. What games would you advise me? Because I would like to play them once a week. They should be not too hard. Playing an easy mode, haha. Yes, that is what I would do also. Too hard. I'm playing an easy mode. Easy mode, what is? I would prefer to. Okay, I need to work. Dani. Yes, me too. I set this await. Now we need to sheeting some fences so we can try it. We don't need apples anymore. And for the apple, Apple slot resource. We should go for ordering transform. Apple slot resource. We'll reset it to 1. Save it. And now we need to sheeting some fences. Wood fences. Wood fence. Slot resource. We have to add it here. Delete this one. And add this here. And we will also add it to 50. That's fine. And start the scene. Let's check. Here we go. New game 1, 2, 3. So let's check them. Here, and when I hopefully opportunity. Dani, that is very rude. You said you will be a listener. I see everything. Well, what was that? That's not that what I wanted. What will happen? Let's check this fence. Await process frame for fence checker and fence checker array. So does this one for every fence in the scene. I see everything, Dani. I see every step of you. And you should also clean your laptop camera. I cannot see your face clearly. Just kidding. Did you see this? Did you see what? Okay, here we go. My middle finger. Yes, I saw that, but I will not. I'll just ignore it, you know. Wait, fence. Scene. Show. Ah, okay. And see this? Yes, you showed 2 fingers to the camera. Why? It's actually showing every side. I mean, I wonder how this emotes get approved. And for my crying emote, they need a day to approve it. I didn't get the rules of Twitch. Okay. Fence checker array disabled. Disabled. I ignored what Dani shows. Can't stop laughing. About what? Has overlapping areas. It will show. If it does not have overlapping areas, it will hide. When this one get caught? When do I emit this signal? This one. Inventory into. Where do I emit it? Here. A child await get 3 process frame. So I actually await a process frame here. And what if I just call it immediately? What will happen? Fans. Let's save, start the game, let's check. Dani? New game? I did not do anything. Start. Huh? Invalid get index object array on base nil. Okay, that's why I set this await here. Save. Start. Let me be a little bit close. Daniel, I think you need a therapist maybe. I'm not sure if I say this word true. Another word for a doctor. I will try something to print here. Print facts. Await. Or fence checker. Okay, I'll be back. I need to work in some things. Okay, done. Off my work. I will not get paid. Wow, what is this? Employer. get laid. I don't get paid, I do not get laid. Or get laid. Oh, you mean this get laid? Sorry. Start. I would dye. You will color your hair. Why it called 3 times? There are actually just 2 fences. Also 3 times. Ever. Oh, I think Dani shut down. Guys, watch any TV series? Actually, nope. I don't even have a TV. I know the dark one. The dark one from Germany? Brooklyn 99, The Office. What is the dark one from Germany? Good choice of B99. Actually can't talk about that. I don't even watching TV series. Series called Dark. It's hilarious. Dark. Okay, I actually do not know this one. Not for this final SS, I'm sorry. They are so stupid. Don't spoil her. It's famous, SS. Wait. Season. Season. It's actually a sea sun. Son of the sea. Dani, why you do that? Dani, that's you can't do that. It's not good. Out of 1 second. Dani, it can't do that. To actually delete all the message. I mean, not the count, it's still there, but it will delete all the message in the chat of him. I'm very sorry for this one. I'm sorry for Dani, he's a bit, you know. Sorry. Gotta cook my dinner now. Here, enjoy your meal. What you will eat? Danny, mate is mean mate. Like dude, like friend. Mate. I think it's an Australian thing. I think it's from Australia. I'm not very sure about that. I hear that just sometimes. Mate. Yes. Here, Danny, you will learn English from he also. Mate. Let's speak it together. Mate. Oh, let's say it together. Okay, that's good, Danny. That's the right pronunciation. Might actually called set fence here also. Oh no, set fence is right here. Why are German sausage so salty? This is actually what everyone says about German sausage. I think it's because German people actually really like to eat salty food. Me also. I like when food is salty. Can I do another timeout as a reward of good pronunciation? You can time out yourself. Not healthy. Yeah. Eating too much chocolate is also not healthy, or sugar, or fat, or delicious food. Many things are not healthy. Smoking is also not healthy. And did you know that you can also die from drink too much water if you don't eat enough salt? Think about it. You can get water poisoning. But I know it's very, very bad for... You can get stones from this. Growth is not healthy. No, I am healthy. But I eat him with my eyes every day. Danny, with that sentence you give me an idea of an emote. Vomiting emote. Oh, puke. I'm not sure which word you know, but puke or vomiting. A really good idea, Danny. Can you stream League of Legends someday? Yes, I could. Some rounds. I want to watch you play. But I actually just support main. So I'm one of the chill people, you know? Lol, what? And I'm very bad. I think I'm playing on Silver 1, Gold 5 rank. I'm not that good. I don't like it. It's good. Spam E for you. No. That is almost a ban, right? This is almost a reason for a ban. Just kidding, but Yumi not. I playing Blitzcrank, Thrash. Heimerdinger was very good for some months. Maokai. I think that's my core supporters. Maybe sometimes Zona. Zona is like Yumi, just better. Okay, real hooker, yes. Except Pike. Pike I did not understand until. Forget Vietnam. Advanced play. FH5. What is FH5 on Minecraft? Or COD? I never played COD in my life. What do you mean with Vietnam? Danny, I know what is COD, but I never played it. Forza Horizon. I also never played Forza Horizon, as I'm really not into racing games. I've never played any racing game. Except maybe when I was a child I ever played, like... What is it called? I think you don't even know, maybe it's not your generation. Need for Speed. Do you know Need for Speed? That is what I played when I was children on PlayStation. FPS games make me dizzy somehow. That's why I do not play first-person shooter. Oh yeah, first-person shooter games make me dizzy also. Nauseated also. Yes, I got this also. Sometimes even I get this when I play Minecraft. I have to set a lot of settings for Minecraft that I can play it without this one. Till EA started to put a cost for only see your game. Oh, I also played it. Yes, I played. Do you know PlayStation 2? I played games where you buy just one CD. I'm not sure if you know CDs. And you can play the full content of this game without any bugs, without any random updates. You don't have to buy extensions anymore. Nothing. You can just play the game until the end without buying any other extensions. And EA games are very popular for... Here's the game. You already paid like 70 or 80 euros. And then you can buy this extension and this DLC and this DLC and this one. At the end you pay for one game more than you actually just buy a new PS5. I think that's the reason why I never played EA games. Pirate games? No, I played pirate. You mean you pirated the games? I think from big companies like that, it's... You know, they earn a lot of money. They're not no one just... No, my father buys it. Yeah. Your father buy it. I know what does it mean, Dani. I know it. What if I have an idea? What if I call this one set fence shape also here in the ready? What will happen? Start? Let's see. He gives me a game every month. Wow. That's very nice. Be right back. Be right back. Thank you, Dani. Dani, just for your notes, this I actually can see. But I cannot. I just cannot see when the advertisement will come. I just see the advertisement will end in 16, 15, 14, 13. Oh, interesting. We have a delay, Dani. We are delayed of 3 seconds. Right back. Hello, hello, hello. Load. New game. Start. Let's check how the fences act. Oh, I also will put this game to my list. Hello, Dani. Nope, it's not working. It's not connecting. Let's count numbers. Dani, nope. No, no, no. This is spam. I would think it would be funny if you got timed out by the bot. Not sure if that is possible. Dani, do you know how many messages you already write? I also don't know, but it's more than 1,000. Just says 999 plus. It does not show me. Okay, this is still not working. Why this is still not working? And we also have to set the Z index to 0. Save. Why this is not working? How I can connect the fences directly in the moment when they spawn? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Is that actually the way how you laugh? Yeah. Is it not more like ha 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 ha? It's interesting. Yes, yeah. Oh, you mean like yeah. Oh, it's more like yeah. Hide, not hide. Show, hide. No, but I really laugh. Like, it sounds serious. You mean more like ha ha. That's the way? Ha. Wait me a second, I will visit Gao. Who is Gao? Is Gao your neighbor with the hammer? Fence checker array. Ready? How I could do this? await and then fence checker emit. Fence checker emit. Process frame. Print now. I actually want to know when this got emitted. Maybe it's still too early. Maybe this is not placed yet. This a child. Maybe this is not finished after one process frame. So let's see. New game. 1, 2, 3. Starts. 1, 2, 3. So when I add it to the scene, it's actually after. But why it's still not connect? Looks very weird. Now it's connected. Oh, wait. Disabled? Why it disabled? Find fence checker. Oh, let me see. Fence left 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Bless you, Dani. One. Fence left collision shape. Oh, okay, that's alright. But where do I check? Here, fence checker has overlapping areas. Say off these numbers. Oh no. Do you hear? I'm the fastest speaker in the world. It is the amount out that I need to pay to the bank. That's the amount that you owe me. But you forgot the dollar sign at the end. But it's fine. If you just cut 1, it's also fine. You can also round it down. I just need 1 0 0 0 0. Many dollar signs will not increase the amount of dollars, you know. $1 is still $1. I have to go now. Okay, starving. Enjoy your meal. See you again. See you guys Friday. Yes, tomorrow's work off day. Enjoy your holiday tomorrow. See you. Night, mates. Bring bit, sorry, I was saying bye. Have good luck. Danny, please. Have a good night and a good holiday. I will. Holiday? Yes, tomorrow's holiday. At least in Germany. As you told me, you live in Poland right now, right? So you should actually have holiday. Nee. It's Christian something. English. Ascension of Christ. Ascension of Christ. Really? I just thought Poland is also this one. This is a work-off day tomorrow. Maybe you should talk with your employer. Maybe he just thought that you don't know. How ridiculous, you don't respect the difference of countries. Oh, enjoy it, we don't have it. Oh, really? Yes, I mean, even in Germany, some parts of Germany don't have it. So there are also different. Up to where you live, you have less or more holidays. Actually, I'm freelancer, so my schedule is 24/7, so no holidays for me also. Report and cancel. But see you on Friday. And enjoy your meal. Don't starving here. Cancel gross. Nope, I don't have Twitter. I'm uncancelable. Oh, nice. How do you find jobs as freelancer? Nope, I was very lucky with my old employer. That's it. I mean, I just changed the status of my work relation. Because I'll go see you later. Bye. Okay, see you also. Danny. Cancel gross. TW. Twitter. It's, you know, it's not Twitter anymore. You have to call it X. Cancel Dani. He called Twitter still Twitter and don't say X. Oh, you mean Twitch? Okay, sorry. So it's actually me. Twitch. Don't cancel me on Twitch. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Oh, take that. In your face. Before. This is before and after, Dani. Before this, and then after this. Oh, I know now I'd get called twice. Fans. Then you will really go? If you really go. Laugh, slap, cry, angry, slap. Danny, did you, in the last 2 hours, did you get any work done? Just a serious question. As you wanted work. Great Gao. I'm not finished yet. No, this is not the case. Why need support? That was the guy from yesterday, right? Yes, I think I'll do. Set fans. He has only one viewer. I'll support him. Fans. Could be friends. Yes. Bye. Okay, Danny, see you. If you seriously go now. Because I can't take your bye for serious sometimes. The Aya leave. Set fence shape. This got called every time a fence. Set it to add it to the scene. But why it does not connect the newest? Wait, I'll just check the collision shapes now and see what will happen. The collision shapes also afterwards, if they are already there. I feel like they are not there yet. That's why it's not working. Okay, let's see. New game. Let's check that. Okay, I add a fence here. Okay, there are the fence checker on the sides. If I click here, they are already there. But I feel like this one get called too early. As this is not, can't scan anything yet. So I actually have to call this one later. What if I wait? I just try to wait a bit longer time. If that does not solve the problem, I actually do not have another idea. Just await another process frame and just another, like 3 at a time. Oh, I know what is the problem now. I bet 100% this one will work now. As before, it just doesn't work. Now it will work. We'll just clean it here a bit so you can see it better. To connect this function, I actually await a frame. So if I await a frame to call the callable with the signal, and the connection and the signal were called in the same time. So when the signal got called, the newest fence what I've placed will be not connected yet, but when I place it now, what is that? What is happening? Okay, I just thought this will solve the problem. So where I connect it? Oh, actually here I do not. Oh, wait. Mouse entered, mouse excited. On area check input event. Set fence shape. Will connect right here. I'll print this one with is connected now. And I will print this one for now. And I want to know which one got called first. So I will know if the fence is actually already in the scene or not when the get called when the signal starts to be there. Let's check that. New game, start. So when I place this one, still cannot collect it with the players. I disabled this function. So is connect now is before. It's connected before. When it gets called, it doesn't work. I want to know if the for loop actually will get called for the first fence. So here we say call the signal works. Start. Game, start. Wait. Just collect this now. Just collect this one. Okay, let's see. One, the signal works. This is actually the right order, but and it even get called twice. I need to check the fences how they looks like. Where's the placed item group? Players shop, camera, lens decorations, flowers, placed objects group, fence and static body. Okay, it actually just do not show anything here. And here this one right is visible. But here left should be visible. It should be this one. So the fence checker are not working properly. Let's go sleep. The other thing what I want to do is stop the game now, and we go for fence, and we will check print fence checker that has overlapping areas, and here we say str, make this to a string, and we also say as, here we say string fence checker dot name. So we will see what will happen when we place more than one. Okay, here we go, new game. Start. So I will place a fence here. Fence checker left true, right true, top true, bottom true. Why everything is true? Now it says left true, right false, top false, bottom false, but for the other one it says for some reason everything is false. So this actually gets caught, so this is not a problem, but for some reason it says that this one is false. So we have to check this. Fence checker has overlapping bodies. Has overlapping areas. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, why 1? 1 is not necessary. Space plus fence checker dot, I'll be right back. Game. Start. False, 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 that's true. But the second one, now it's false, true, false, false, and everything is false for this one. But why does that happen? Maybe it's happened I feel like, oh, I'm right back. I feel like it's happening because in the moment when I call this function, this really does not have overlapping areas yet. I'll try to create timer 1 second dot timeout, and I'll check it again. Because I want to know if it's only the time which is in between, or if it's really a problem of the halves overlapping bodies. Start. Wait. I mean, it's connecting now, but it's by far too late. Maybe this is still too late. I mean, hey, I'm watching Bayern Munich versus Real Madrid girls. You know football. Actually, yes, I know football, but I'm not into football actually. But people like to watching German football. And do you know Bayern Munich? München, actually in German, is just popular in Munich. But outside of Munich, the most people don't like this team. That's what I know. That's what I experienced. Oops, sorry. The most popular team. Yes, it's the most popular team, but in... Sorry for this advertisement. In some parts of Germany, they... You know that the most football fans always hate each other. Especially because where I'm from, in Munich, they really hate each other. For some reason. At least the hooligans. I do not know how to call them in English, but in Germany we call them hooligans. The fans hate each other. But I really don't know how people can be so into something. Yeah, also in English. Okay. They are very, very, very... into it. This is not what I want. Two maybe? Who will win? How it looks like? But not this year, haha. Not this year. Bayer Leverkusen. Wait, what? Oh. Bayer Leverkusen is also a team located somewhere in Munich, I think. I mean, this looks a bit weird now, but it kinda fixed this problem. As it has a delay. I'm not happy with the result. I mean, it works. See, Danny? You're never away. You are always there. Oh, wait. I was in the stream of Agua Hervida, Spanish pixel art artist. Oh, found out something interesting. I also have to disable this one. The fence checker. See the chat. See the chat. You was at the other. You were a Spanish pixel artist of that stream. Which stream? Thank you for following on YouTube. Thank you very much. You mean from Agua Hervida? I'll check it. What did you do? Konnichiwa, 160. Queno ava me lago, mi piso ava by adiv. Also speaks English. Of the stream like that, say hi in the chat. I got advertisement. I just joined a second and I got advertisement. Very long advertisement, still running. It's like 2 minutes. Oh, you also have a glass. Danny, I can't talk in the chat, as I can't read the rules. How I should agree to rules but I can't read? Maybe I will sell my soul. What? the chat rules, they are Spanish.
Que paila. Como ella me regañaba si yo llegaba.
But his art looks very good.
A mi madre. Porque si no, paila, güey. Ella en serio aplicaba esa, entre más duro se dé, más duro le doy. Paila, marica. La excusa de hoy en día cuando yo le pregunto, hello, growth, devlog, hello. I've been speaking just in Spanish. So come on in. I do speak English too. Sígale, yo también hablo al español, al inglés. Tuti. Reforzó, pobre agüita, sí. Denme.
I'm there now, Danny.
Denme besos. Agua con las rodillas todas peladas, paila, sí, güey. Me bajaba los pantalones para que no me vieran las rodillitas. I used to pull down my pants so my mom couldn't see my pain. My bruises. I'm stupid in English. ¿Cómo va, señorita Lau? ¡Ojo! ¡Capitán! Es hora de la batalla. Capitán, es hora de la batalla.
He draws very nice stuff. Oh, wait.
It's nice. Let me show you first. I'm doing a Koholit Redraw collab. So I'm remaking this scene from Zelda.
Wow.
I'm doing this.
Wow.
I'm still working on it. Todavía estoy trabajando en eso. De juego Stream Riders. Empecemos, señora, empecemos. Vámonos acá. Let's go. Stato Batoru. Now. Estoy feliz, llegó mi celular nuevo y el relojito. Ay, qué bueno, señorita.
Very nice. Very nice stuff what he is doing. It's very talented. Very nice talent. Fence. Oh, actually here in the ready function. If not else, if it got, then we have to disable this one. The collision shapes. Checker left collision. Right. Top. And bottom. Here we go. And now we need this one, and this one, and add it here. Wait, these are just three. This one. Wait, huh? Here we go. Did you see? Danny, I wasn't scared that I think that he can't speak English. I mean, it just looks a bit random, you know. Sorry. Here we go. Music is back. I'll go to tennis. to tennis. You will go playing tennis. Right, Gauflo. I will. Don't worry. Don't disabled. Yeah, I play tennis. Nice. So you do more exercise than me. Success and subscription assist can't be used as assignment target. Oops. Sorry, I didn't understand. Yeah, I play tennis, so I type it. I said, so you do more No, Danny, I know what's your plan. I know you. You almost get me. Almost. No, really, I didn't understand you. I know what's your plan, Danny. Trust. Like the other 3 message you have pinned? Now it's working. I mean, it's a bit delayed. No trust. Danny. I'm really not sure. I really understand this. Nothing. I said you do more exercise than me. I mean, I think it's even not possible to move less than I do. What's very, 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 very bad. You shouldn't do that. You should move a lot. Tennis is a good thing. What was the time difference between us? Yeah, I do 4, 5, 6 hours of exercise of tennis every day? Or every week? No, every week, right? Because you are already here in the shed for like 5 hours sometimes. And when you go to work, did you sleep? Or do you do Wait, you're watching the stream when you're on work. Sleep is also important, Dani. Ah, that's why. That's why you have a lot of time. I get you. What's the name of the company you are working for? Maybe someone have to talk with your boss to give you a raise for your hard work. Okay, so this function is working now. I don't need to print anything anymore here. But I would like to make it clickable. But that's... I can't... It's in the contract. I will Google it. Then I'll find out. You already told me where you live. I know what you are working for. Just have to find an apartment which is higher than 7th floor. I am lost. Did you bet? Did you bet on Teams? most apartments in Colombia are more than 7th floor. I support the team. Ah, okay. Good. Betting is bad. Betting is a bad thing. So I support the team. How much did they lose? What was the at end score? Is it called end score? I'm a fan of Man City and Real Madrid beat us. Now I want Bayern to revenge. 2-1. I'm a fan of Man City and Real Madrid. Ah, okay. 2-1, I mean, it's not too bad. But it's still a lose. Okay, tennis cancelled for the moment. Yeah, Dani. You cancel it. Starts raining. Rain is not an excuse for don't do exercise. What a shame, Dani. What a shame. I slept yesterday. Save this one. My excuse is I'm lazy every day. See, Dani? He knows how to do excuses. To be honest. Honesty is better than say it's raining. Should I check? Wait, I'll check if it's really raining. Mixed clouds and sun with scattered thunderstorm. Okay, maybe. Tomorrow it's raining and right now it's 50%. No, actually I can't see the clouds. No, you love. Oh, Modelo Norte is a part, the city part. See, Dani, I found more and more datas. So I will go offline now, but I will rate you. If you watch Modern Family, I love a character there from Colombia. She's iconic. Dani, there's an... I believe you, chill. And who still use MSN? Are you from 2010? Maybe 2004? Still accept though. Yes, when I watching the map, Dani, actually in the map you showed me, there's no cloud. Here, this is the map. Here's Bogota. And don't tell me where's the rain. doesn't show all clouds. Yeah. You want to tell me the internet is lying. So Danny, I really have to go now. It's already 4 a.m. here. Can you tell me the name again of the channel? I will rate. I will be offline now. Hopefully see you tomorrow again. And on Friday here. And thanks for watching until here. Raid Gauflo. Bom Daya. 3. Okay, 3 people will go to raid. The others have a nice day. Or a nice evening. Let's go.
Panic. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Growth. For your raid of a party of 3. I appreciate it. Hello, GameDev, for the heads up. Only say Growth Gal. Jess. Growth. God. Growth God. I mean Growth. You're welcome. Yes. Thanks, Growth. You weren't waiting that raid. I assume the last one took longer.